Hey designers, today I want to show you how to create a Risograph dust photo effect. Let's start by converting our photo into a smart object. After that, add black and white color adjustment filter. Go to the filter gallery and add a dry brush filter. Set the brush size and detail to 10 and texture to 1. Add grain filter with the intensity set to 90 and contrast to maximum. Add grain filter one more time, but change the intensity to 100 and contrast to about 50. As a last filter, let's apply torn edges. Adjust the image balance, then set smoothness to 14 and contrast to 10. We can also create a gradient map if we want to add colors to our image. Here is our final result. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to save this video for later.